Now, depending on where you are in your journey when it comes to making money online, you may or may not have realized that traffic is one of the most important things that you need. It's essential. It's the lifeblood to our business. Now, so long as you've got a high converting offer and you've got traffic and you put the two together, you can't go wrong. So that's why I've got something that I'm really, really excited about today to bring you. And this really is potentially a game changer. I've just looked inside the members area. I've gone through the videos in there and the structure of this system to check that it will work for you. And one thing I've noticed is this. I'm just going to go over to my laptop now. So inside this system, you're going to get guaranteed approval for a funnel that you can earn up to $1,447 from per visitor, per person. All right, so nearly $1,500. Now, what makes this really exciting is because that sounds like a high ticket offer, doesn't it? But it's not actually a high ticket offer. In fact, the front end, the main product, is free and it's very high converting. Now, the offer itself has done over 1,000 sales and it's converting at 47%, which is absolutely insane. Now, this basically means that for every 2 people that you send to this, one of them is going to grab it. Now, when they grab it for free, they come into a funnel and then the first thing they see will be the first upgrade. And then this goes through a series of upgrades. And there's also an upgrade in there that will bank you just under $800, $798.80 in commissions. That's just one of the upgrades. So that system I love. But when you combine this with something very, very powerful, and that is real traffic, you put those two together and you've got a winning formula, an absolute winning formula. Now, as part of this system, you get 100% free forever email marketing and funnel building system. Plus, that's also tied up with 100% done for you funnels that go into that. All right, so you've got the email marketing and funnel system, you've got the done for you funnels that you can just import in and they're done for you. So now think about this, right? We've got an amazing offer that's got a giveaway front end, a high converting funnel, and the potential to earn almost $1,500 per person. We've then got an email marketing and funnel builder free forever, plus completely done for you funnels. Now, the only thing that's missing at this point is the traffic. Now, this product is called Smart Traffic. So you know that the traffic is the main component, even though I've just told you about all that stuff, which was pretty exciting. So inside, you'll discover 3 free traffic sources, all right? 3 different traffic sources. Now, these traffic sources are good traffic sources. They've been tested, they work, they get sales. And there's also one that gets you 1,000 hits for free inside of this system. As you can see, this is now stacking up to be something that sounds really exciting, and it is, because it's got all of those components. You've got the guaranteed approval to promote a high converting offer that you give away for free that you can earn up to $1,500 per person. You've got the done for you funnels that go into the 100% free forever funnel builder and email marketing system, and you've got the traffic sources to get eyes on those links. Now, if you pick this up through me, you know how I love to spoil you, and your spoil you bonus bundle today is going to include 0 to hero. These are just hot off the press, have literally come through while I've been speaking to you. So you're going to get full access to 0 to hero, boss traffic, traffic stream, 5-minute profits, and a BioLink page builder premium package. Plus, you're also going to get, again, hot off the press, 4 previous courses from my good friend Fergal, and you're going to get how to get 250,000 new subscribers every single Friday. Then you're going to get flood your offers with free traffic, and you're going to get how to rank your videos first in YouTube. Plus, you're going to get 100% commissions to promote Fergal's Empire course on Warrior Plus and 50% on the monthly recurring. All right, so that's another bundle of bonuses that you'll get there. And on top of that, as soon as I get off of this video, I'm going to be pulling a load of my bonuses. So those bonuses are from Al and from Fergal, and I'm going to pull those together with my bonuses for you, and you'll see details of all of those bonuses below this video. Now, during the launch period, this is a ridiculously low price, so there's nothing really to think about on this. As I've explained, you've got all the components that you need in order to start making money online without really doing anything. All right, everything's done for you. You import the funnels, you go to the free traffic systems, you get eyes on your links, and you're ready to go. So this really is a very exciting offer, and I would urge you to jump on this as soon as possible to guarantee that you get it at the best price and to get my full bonus bundle. And if you pick up any of the upgrades on this, then just send me through your receipt If you get it through my link, then I'm going to give you another special bonus. So you really don't have anything to lose here. You've got everything to gain. So go ahead, grab this now, and let's make some money.